welcome to the CCIS Stars. Today, we are going to be making ube ice cream because it's a no school day because it's rainy, but it's still gonna be fun. So what are the ingredients to this yummy ube ice cream? You need some cream, whipping cream, or condensed, or no, it's not condensed, or it's all-purpose cream. That was actually funny. I did. Ube Extract. Ooh, it's so heavy. But that's fun. It's like a whip. Here is the Ube Powder. It's purple. And we have condensed milk. I already said the word condensed, but anyway, what are the tools you need? Well, I think most of you think you need a bowl. It's silver. Ooh, it's a reflection. You also need this mixer. This is my mommy's mixer, but she let me use it. And you need a spatula. Woo! It's so fun to play with. No, it's not a toy. We need this for the powder. Whoop. I didn't scoop it, but let's see what we need first. Time to cut up the cream. Wait, but don't cut it yet. Ask a grown-up for help. You don't want to cut yourself. I'm going to ask my mommy for help. Ask anyone in your family who is a grown-up. Mommy, can you help me, please? Okay. Thank you, Mommy. So my mommy helped me cut it. So let's put it in. And I forgot to mention, it's better if your cream is cold. So you can put it in the refrigerator ahead of time. Ooh, there it is. Stop dripping. Let's put in our second cream. Look how satisfying that is. Time to whip it. If you get too tired, you can ask a grown-up for help, but whip it until it forms a bit. Whoa! It's so heavy! Look at the bubbles! That rain really got strong, but I guess that means it's time to pour the condensed milk. It was super sharp. It was probably super sharp. So I asked my mom to help me. Ask any grown-up. Put the full thing. I think you're gonna need your spatula again. Now it's time to whip it up again until it is properly combined. Whoa! Ask grown-up for help! It looks like it's changing color! Earlier it looked so white, now it's so yellow. Oh, it's black. Ready for the most exciting part? It will turn purple as long as you put in your ingredients. First, you need to put in this ube powder. Let's pour the whole thing. And dump. It's not doing it. Oh, there you go. A big clump. I put it in, and now 2 tablespoons of ube extract. Let's open it. But if it's too hard, ask around for help. Oh, there's cream on it. Oh, let's pour it on top. Whoa. I think this is enough first. Ooh, you can see the purple on top. Well, careful about how the ube extract going onto your clothes or your skin because it stains. But watch the magic happen. It's turning purple! Look, this is how it will become ube ice cream. 4 ingredients, super easy for this ice cream. This ice cream is super easy. You might be able to do it if you're an older kid. But look at the bubbles, they're coming again. I'm not sure how long I have to stir this. And here you have a fluffy bowl of ice cream mix. Fluffy ube ice cream mix. And for the container, I'm going to use this old ice cream container. And here's its cover, which is also as old as it is. But ask a grown-up for help to pour it in. This is so satisfying, guys. Now let's cover the yummy looking ice cream. Refreshing ice cream. Ask your grown-up for help to lift it in to the freezer because you might drop it by accident, and I don't want you to be eating dirty ice cream. We're putting this in here for 5 to 6 hours. So much ice in here. Ask your grown-up for help. Okay, it's closed. Well, now it's time to wait. Or 6 or 8 hours. I can eat it tomorrow or tonight. I'm not sure. But stay tuned for the yummy ice cream. Okay, we're back because I had to wait over a day just to get here. So this day, because we're going to open our yummy Ube ice cream. So let's open it. Oh, look at that, guys. It started to melt a bit. But let's get... Oh, and I have a little assistant over here. My sister, baby Karis. She wants to join the taste test. Don't worry, you can join the taste test.
Thanks, Mom.
So, look at that, guys. Look at the ice cream getting scooped.
Wow.
Well, that is so satisfying, right?
Why?
Yeah, it's satisfying. Karis is right. It's also satisfying for her. Okay, guys, we've been waiting for this taste test, or more like you've been waiting for this taste test all day long. So let's dig in. Our homemade Ube ice cream. Oh, my sister likes it. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
It's yummy. I better try this. It's so good. It's Ube yummy. I hope you like this video. Or maybe you can make it for your parents. And actually, if you want to find the recipe, just go and click the description button down below. Right, Karis? She's just playing a game, right? It's a funny game. A funny ice cream game. So, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, everybody. Bye. Bye. Mommy, it was so fluffy and yummy. You should try it.